Blameless has a direct integration with Jira, so as long as Jira is configured in your Blameless instance, a Jira ticket is automatically created when a Blameless incident is created. Here, we create an incident by executing the /blameless slack command. A dialog box appears and Start Incident is selected. The following dialog box, incident type, severity, and a brief description is given to this incident. Note that a new incident channel is created, as well as several other Slack channels are notified of the newly created incident. Switching to the new incident 1597 and scrolling back to the top shows us that a new Jira ticket has been created, here marked BD 1766. Follow-up action items can also be assigned to an incident simply by executing the name of the action item followed by the #todo Slack command. Our third integration is adding the action item directly from the UI. Going into the incident, if we select the Follow-up Actions tab, we see the first follow-up action that we just created in Slack with the #todo. To create an action item in the UI, simply select the Add Action button and fill out the dialog box that appears. When finished, select the Create Action button. The new action appears in the UI. Our fourth integration is to show how closing a ticket in Jira will close the action items in Blameless. At the top of the incident window, the Jira ticket is a link that can be selected to take the user to the Jira ticket. Closing each ticket by selecting Done will close the tickets in Blameless. Note, a refresh of the Blameless page may be needed to reflect the change. Our last integration is to show how we can graphically represent pending action items and how long it's been since they were created. Starting in the Reliability Insights page of Blameless, I'll select the Edit Query. This will show the menu of items to select to start our dashboard. At the top, you can see I've selected Action Created, Action Updated, Action Assignee, Action Summary, Action Description, Action Completed, Incident Number, and finally, I've created a calculated field that I called Days Since. In the lower right, I selected Next. In the Incident Number field, I selected Descending, and in the Days Since calculated field, you can see the logic I used to calculate how long the action has been pending. I also rounded it to 1 decimal place. For each of the date fields, I formatted it with the year, month, day, and time. And then in the Action Completed field, I filtered on 0, meaning that the action had not been completed. Selecting Next takes us to the final setup screen. I selected Data Table, and then I picked the fields in order by saying Incident Number, Action Created, Action Assignee, Action Summary, and finally our calculated field of Days Since. We finish, and we have our completed pending actions table, showing our incidents that have actions that have been created but have yet to be finalized.